10-inch locks made with 12-inch 4A wefts. She wants the extra curl. Start with a double weft. I have 2 wefts here joined together so that I can make one long weft. On my website you can get my free lock tool PDF that has all the lock tools that I use listed. To do sizing with this specific Hairworks holder, I know that I can fit 6 medium, 8 medium, or 10 small. I'm pinching it, trying to make it cylindrical, and then taking my hook and doing the, what is this called? The cage method, where you're going around and grabbing hairs. Help build structure. I see most locticians holding it like this, which is great when trying to tighten, but I want these, and that is why you can't see any stitching. Also, I don't rely on this method to make the extensions, because if I did, all the ends would fall out. And then I'm going to switch to my double hook. This is what's going to do all the work. I also like to open this so that I can see what's going on up here. When you're just beginning, you want to do this very slowly. And squeeze, pull out. When you stick it back in, squeeze, pull out. But not only am I doing that, I'm also then I am gonna find my thread pick. If your loctician doesn't know what a thread pick is, run! Run for the hills. Do not let them touch your hair. Start with the biggest hook and work down. So if you start with your 0.75 and that's working, then good. But if it's not going through easily, then you need to switch to a smaller hook. So then I would switch to the 0.05. Then once that gets too hard to pull through, that's when you switch to the next smallest hook. A rule of thumb, if it's gliding in too easily and not catching anything, you need a bigger hook, but if you're having a hard time getting it through the hair, you need a smaller hook. And then if you need to, you can fluff out the ends a little bit so they don't look like sticks. She wants extra curl. And then